How to remove a payment method on Netflix. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. For that, you have to launch any of your preferred web application, or you can also do this process via your application Netflix. At the top search bar, type in netflix.com and then get logged into your Netflix account. As you do so, you will see a page like this. Here you will also see a 3-bar icon on your top left-hand side, just beside the Netflix logo. You have to first open that. And then just below your name, you will see an option that says account. Open that button. At this section, if you scroll below, you will see manage payment info. You have to open that link and it will get you landed onto a page like this. But here is the thing that you should know. If you would like to remove a certain payment method, you have to add another one. So for that, tap on add payment method and you have to add a new one. You can go ahead with digital wallet, credit or debit card. And once you have done that, you have to come back onto the previous section. And here you will see delete just below the card that you have added. If you tap on edit, you can go ahead and remove it. But you cannot just remove it. You have to add a new one if you would like to remove your old one. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching.